How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you this, how you can use full WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. This video is updated to 2024, and this method is compatible with the Apple Watch Series 3 and newer, so super compatible. And when I say full WhatsApp, I do mean it, because you can do absolutely anything. Of course, read text, listen to audio messages, view stickers, photos, and even video if you want to. I'm gonna tap here, tap on play, and as you can see, we've got full video with audio on your Apple Watch. This is absolutely insane. So before I show you even more, let me actually explain how you can actually set up and install this application on your Apple Watch, which, by the way, has a free version, so you don't even have to pay if you don't want to. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first step is to actually open up the App Store, because we're gonna need to download an app, because as you know, Meta doesn't have a specific WhatsApp application for the Apple Watch, but this one I'm gonna show you I've been using for years. You can trust it. All right, so let's go ahead and tap on search, and then go to the search bar and then look for watch, and there we go, watch chat right here. Okay, don't worry, because I'm gonna have all the information on the screen and direct link in the description, so then when you tap on it, you're gonna go straight to this page right here. So all you have to do is tap on get. For you, it would probably say get. As I said, it's a free application, so you can use it for free, but of course there's a premium version with more features, so if you like the app, you can consider the premium, all right, but you can use it for free. So as soon as you go ahead and download it, you just need to download it on the iPhone, because it's gonna automatically install on the iPhone and also on your Apple Watch as well, but we gotta make sure it's actually there before we move on. So go ahead here and open up the Watch app, this one right here, the app we use to manage the Apple Watch, right? The native Apple Watch application. So on the first page, you scroll all the way down until you get here to this section, installed on Apple Watch. Okay, scroll down a bit more and just make sure that Watch Chat, it's right here actually, make sure it's actually installed. And all you have to do is just wait. As you can see, Watch Chat is being installed, downloaded and installed on my Apple Watch at this moment, and as you can see, it has just finished. So it's right here now on the list. It's now installed on the Apple Watch. Now that we're sure it's on the watch and it's on the iPhone, we can actually get started with the process, which is super simple. So this process actually works with normal WhatsApp and also WhatsApp Business. So choose whichever app you're gonna use. I'm gonna use WhatsApp Business for this example, and then go to settings at the bottom right bar, and then tap on linked devices. And what we're gonna do here is just like WhatsApp Web. So before we go ahead and link device, we actually need to get the Apple Watch just to open up the app and get the QR code. So let's go ahead here and look for the app. As we know, it's already on the Apple Watch, right? Look for it. For me, it's right here, but for you, maybe it'll be down below, down there at the bottom. Okay, so go ahead and take a look. Now, let's go ahead and open it up. It's gonna give you instructions on this very first time, and it's gonna actually create the QR code. Wait a few seconds, maybe it'll take a few seconds for you, okay? So be patient, and then all you have to do is link device, use Face ID, and then of course you need to read it. I'm just gonna tap on the screen to wake it, and then I'm gonna read the QR code, as you can see right there, and then as you can see, it's logging in. And on the Apple Watch, it's just waiting. So you don't have to do anything, just let it do its thing. While it's actually doing its thing here, if you use WhatsApp Business, you can actually name your device. And I recommend that you do that, otherwise you may get lost in the future, right? So Apple Watch, save, and now you can exit WhatsApp. You don't need it anymore. Now we got on the Apple Watch, and as you can see right here, it's already there. It's already loading all this stuff, so it's gonna take a few seconds just to finish getting all of the profile pictures. They got pretty much everything already, as you can see right here. Great. Sometimes it takes a few minutes just to get everything, because it's doing that loading for the very first time. And then as you can see right here, there we go, we've got everything. So we've got photos, so you can zoom in, you can zoom out. Take a look at the quality. It's absolutely perfect, actually. You can listen to audio messages if you want to. So let's listen to that. Play. It's gonna be very low, but hope the microphone can pick it up. And of course, you can see everything. So stickers, read messages, photos, videos, as I showed you before. And of course, you can also reply back. It's not just a read only, right? So for example, you can send audio messages. So for example, we have here audio, so tap on it. And then for the very first time, it's gonna actually ask for permission. So you can allow, you can cancel and do it once again, just for this very first time. Tap on it, and then as you can see, it's actually picking up, it's recording. So then you can actually go ahead and pause it, continue later if you want to, or just send. So then it's gonna go ahead and send, and it's already here. We already got the notification. I'm gonna show you. Also, you can send text. So you can use this old style input, which I really like. So for example, you can say hi, and then send. Same story. You can have like presets as well for your replies. You can set this up on the WhatsApp app on your iPhone if you want to. And then that's pretty much it, guys. You've got full WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. As you can see, it has the online indication, meaning that it's actually online and it's actually updated in real time. This is awesome. And of course, if you scroll all the way down, you can see status, you can see your settings, your contacts. It's super complete. And let me actually show you that those messages came through. As you can see, the audio and the hi. So let me play the... Yeah, so that's the audio that I was speaking while I was recording with you, right? And then hi, and then that's it. Full WhatsApp experience on the Apple Watch for free. Of course, you can get the premium if you want to, but you've got an experience for free. The best solution for the Apple Watch if you want to use WhatsApp, all right? So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye-bye.